Welcome back, my advertising friends. Here we are at the WP suspension show floor. What we see is a very beautiful 790 Adventure R with a suspension kit from WP, the XPLOR Pro, and look at the sticker kit. It's awesome. And did you notice the headlight protection as well? That's the OEM one. I think it's very beautiful. And let us compare it to the 790 Adventure Rally. I found that outside the motorcycle show. So sorry for the lighting, it's very dark in here. When looking at the specs of this bike, it's really as good as it gets. This is a unique configuration of a bike that could be available on the floor. But there are only 12 to 15 of these bikes available in Scandinavia in this production. Wouldn't you like one? I would.